Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be slaying this wig by a new hair vendor that I have reviewed for you guys from start to finish. Stay tuned and keep watching. Back to my channel. So today I am going to be showing you guys these two wigs that you guys already know came from my, well, not my new vendor, but the new vendor that I am trying out for you guys. They are, so this is the, remember we talked about in the last video when I did the unboxing. This is their Raw Indian Natural Curly. I washed the hair and let it air dry. This is the natural curly hair. See, root to tip, down at the bottom. This is what it looked like. And then this wig over here is the natural wavy. Make sure you guys can see from the top to the bottom. This is the natural wavy. Okay, so you guys can see there is a difference. There definitely is. This one has like a slight wave versus this one that's kind of curly. I mean, it's curlier. I wouldn't call it curly myself, but it's curlier, okay? So let me see. But I don't know which one I'm gonna wear today. Still trying to decide. But I am going to be testing out a small piece of the hair. So I don't know if I want to color either one of these wigs, to be honest. They're so beautiful though. Maybe I'll color this one just so I can see if it keeps its natural kind of curl pattern and things like that for this wig. I'm not too sure, but let me try them on for you really quick. I washed my hair, braided it down. It's all ready to go. I'm a medium cap, so that's what I use for both of these wigs. And remember this frontal that they sent me, I haven't tweezed the hairline or anything, but this frontal that they sent me is a 13 by 6 inch frontal. All right, so it has a lot of parting room. The frontal actually goes all the way back here. Okay, and this is what it looks like. This is their natural curly. Okay, it's not bad, it's just not as curly as what I'm used to with my vendor. They send me their curliest bundles that they can find. I guess that's probably why I'm more used to curlier hair, but it's still cute. It's still very cute and beautiful. If I was selling this hair and this was my brand, I would say that I would advertise this hair as maybe a loose curly kind of hair, because it's not really like tight curls. But of course, you guys have to try it out yourself. Get shorter bundles, maybe get longer bundles, so you can see if maybe if you get a 12-inch bundle, the hair is a lot curlier, just like a lot of curly hair types and things like that. So try it out yourself. This wig definitely fits me good. The lace is okay. The lace on my frontal is a lot thinner than the lace on my 7x7 closure wig. I'll try her on right now too. So you can definitely tell that the lace is not super thin, which is not a problem. If you can lay lace and you can do all of that, then you should be absolutely fine. Oh yeah, maybe I'll put this wig on because, oh my gosh, I'm loving this one already. And I love curly hair, but I think because this one's not as curly as I like it, I think that's probably why I really kind of want to wear this one, because I'm really not a straight kind of person. But if I put some big curls in her, she can be real cute. I'm not even gonna lie. A 7x7, so that means my parting space on her is way like to the middle of my head. Okay, she's beautiful. I love it. I might have to wear her. 7x7 closure. I don't necessarily have to have any glue. The lace is not super thin, but she feels really good. I think I might have to wear this one. I'll have to see what I'm gonna do with her. we'll see what I do with her. But I'm actually gonna wear this one today. Hopefully you guys didn't want to see a whole lace lay down, but this is the one I think I'm gonna wear today. And this is the one that I think I will color for this video, so you guys can see what she looks like and how she colors and things like that. So stay tuned. All right, you guys, so I have a piece of the raw Indian hair here that I am going to test out for you guys. Now, of course, I am using professional Blonde Me Lightner in order to lift up this hair. I am going to do one side with 40 volume developer, and I'm going to do the other side with a 10 volume developer, just so I can see how much it can take with the 40, and then how does a slow lift work exactly with a 10. So I'm gonna do both of those, one side 40, one side 10, and we can see how this Blonde Me lifts this new vendor hair that I have. Okay, so this is going to be my 40 volume developer. I am just going to put her on just to see what she can take. Does she lift up to a 613? And I'm gonna leave it on for a full 30 minutes, maybe longer, depending on how fast she does lift. And I'll come back and check periodically, probably every 10 minutes, just to see that it's lifting properly. And then I will go ahead and install my other wig and get that one ready to be worn. All right, make sure it's fully coated. And this is how everyone should be testing out their vendors, because a lot of people, if you don't know, you need to know the hair that you're selling. All right, so that is that. I'll go ahead and cover that up with foil, and you can definitely process it without foil, but I want a little faster of a lift, so I'm gonna do it with foil, 40 volume developer. And now I'll go ahead and do the other side with the 10. All right, so now I am going to be testing out this side. Get my 10 volume developer, put her on. So I do suggest that even though I'm wearing the hair for on and off for 30 days and testing out this vendor for you guys and giving you guys a review after the 30 days is up, I do recommend that you guys wear the hair for a little bit longer than that, because raw Indian hair you're supposed to be able to use for years. A lot of people don't have years to test out a vendor, which is fine, it's not a problem, but you should for sure always be looking for new vendors. I definitely want to say that I'm always looking for new vendors, looking for people to offer me what I need at a faster rate, making sure they are who they say they are, which is why I started doing a raw vendor testing, because a lot of people, you guys already know, a lot of people don't or can't find raw hair vendors, which I think it's not that hard to find, to be honest. Through Instagram, I'm gonna do a video on it too, showing you guys how I find vendors, what are some qualities that I look for before I even go purchase samples from them, because I know most of the time I already know from the jump this ain't gonna work. Even if they got the best hair on the market, this ain't gonna work. I could already tell. So all right, let those sit. 40 volume, 10 volume on this side. I'm gonna get my wig ready so I can put it on for you guys, and I'll set this to the side for about 20 to 30 minutes, and I'll come back and show you guys what that looks like. Okay, so I just wanted to, this is the wig I'm gonna be wearing. So I just wanted to come on here and show you guys what the knots look like, because I have already bleached the knots on her and they bleached fine with no issues. The knots are not very super thick or anything like that. I am just gonna tweeze it a little bit, not too much, just to get that straight line out of there. Probably gonna do a side part. All right, so this is what she looks like. The hairline honestly came, sorry guys, I gotta kind of turn her the other way, but the hairline kind of came already kind of tweezed. The hairline was not thick at all. Super easy to work with. I let you guys know that the lace was kind of on the thick side for me. Not too bad though. Like it's just regular Swiss lace. Nothing like super incredible or magical or anything like that. It's not a gray, not a dark brown. Definitely really light, so you can tint it to whatever color you need. I definitely will be tinting it today. So I think I'm gonna leave it just like that and then start styling her. So after I'm done styling her, I'm gonna come back to show you guys what she looks like. She feels really good though. She feels really, really good. Feels like raw hair should definitely feel. I'm excited. I'm excited. She's a good vendor. They're a good, okay vendor so far. I definitely feel like once you get to know your vendor and see if they can do some customized things for you, then they'll definitely work out way, way better for you. All right, so let me get the styling. All right, you guys, I am curling this wig, as you can see, getting her ready, but this has fully processed for 25 minutes. I think I'm going to rinse her out now. So this is what the 10 volume side looks like after 25 minutes. I'll wipe off and rinse off the hair, and I can definitely tell, oh my God, it's dripping. This is what the 40 volume side looks like right over here. I'm excited to rinse her out and show you guys. I can tell it definitely is lifted. So this is the 40. You guys can see 25 minutes. It's gotten really bright. And this is the 10 volume side, and you can see it's really beautiful. Both of them actually. One's a little darker than the other, but it's really nice. So I'm gonna rinse them out fully so then you guys can see them. All right, so this is what the hair looks like. You can definitely tell this side is the 10 volume for 25 minutes, and this side is the 40 volume for 25 minutes here. This is what they look like side by side. I didn't condition it that long, but it feels really good still. Not that bad, not that bad. So I'm pretty sure if I would have left this on for about 40 minutes, it would have been very, very blonde. Definitely can get a high volume blonde for this vendor. Very nice. Very nice so far. So now I'm gonna go ahead and finish this wig here, put her on, let you guys know, of course, how long the curls last me at the end of my work day and things like that. So I have them pinned up right now, and I'll go ahead and put her on in just a second. All right, you guys, so I decided I'm not gonna wear a wig cap, but here is the wig. The curls are still in her. I have them pinned up with these little pins, and this is the front. All right, so I don't have an elastic band inside of this one, but I'll probably add one later. So I'm gonna put her on. Remember, I am wearing the wavy wig. All right, ooh, ooh, ooh. All right, poke my ears out, pull her down. I'm loving her already. I just need to cut the lace. Let me silence my phone. But this is how she's looking. I wanted to do a sort of deeper side part on her. I probably could have did it a little bit deeper, to be honest. Y'all stop texting me. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. So I am gonna get my edge brush so I can cut the lace and start doing these baby hairs. So the hair curled very well. It took heat absolutely well. I am gonna start taking out these clips in here. All right, love it, love it. I feel like I look like my mama right now with all these curls in my head. I'm gonna take these out, and then I'm gonna come back right before I cut the lace. I just wanted to show you guys what she looked like before I took these clips out of my head. All right, so let me take these out. I'll be right back. You guys, so I took all the clips out of her, and I pushed my bangs back so I can get them out of the way. Let me kind of get my wig where I want her to be. And I'm gonna go in and cut this lace off. Where did I put them scissors? I guess I can use these scissors right here. All right, so the lace is completely cut. I think that's where I want her to be. Cut this little piece. All right, so now I'm gonna start doing my baby hairs on her. And I have a little hairspray over here so I can see how I wanna lay them. Let me get these scissors. Lord, I'm dropping everything. All right, so let me cut my baby hairs. I know some people commented that they appreciated that I didn't do baby hair. I don't do baby hairs in all my videos, and I honestly, I tried not to. All right, kind of got that side down. These little hairs all in my face because I'm trying to do my baby hair is a certain way. So let me get what I need so I can do this right. All right, I am back. I got what I need. So I am going to, oh, I have a video on what I'm using right here. Ooh, 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 ooh. So let me put this down on my head right there so I can get all this down. All right, now I'm going to continue and do my baby hairs. Clip out. Not using any glue because I know I'm probably gonna want to take this wig off at night and then just restyle my hair and do my baby hairs in the morning. So just like that. All right, so that's done. Now I'm going to put my headband on just for a minute, not too long, and then I will comb out these curls. And you can pretty much do this with any glueless wig, you guys. As long as it's a lace closure, you'll be good. This is a 7x7 inch lace closure, so I'm good with that. Now I'm gonna go in with the comb and comb out these curls. Y'all, I'm loving her. She's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I am like in love. Like, besides the fact that I'm my mama, she cute. Besides the fact that I look like exactly like my mom. Lay this down a little bit here. All right, okay, so my hair is pretty much done. Did not have to do that much to it. The hair feels amazing. Okay, you guys, so I know everybody's been like, what hair vendor did you use, girl? I need to get this hair vendor, stop playing. All right, so the hair, let me get the exact name, and it will be in the description box below, okay? Because I'm gonna get the exact name for you guys. Sorry, let me go on here, hold on. Okay, so their name on Instagram is raw_Indian_hair_seller. So raw Indian hair seller with underscores in between each word. And they are from India. Just want to get that together. What else? Dang, this hair is nice. So I'll put the information down low. All their WhatsApp, IG, all that information below. One problem I would say that I had was that I was expecting curlier hair and they sent me a little bit wavier kind of hair. So it wasn't as curly as I would have liked it to be, but it worked. It worked out for what I needed it to. And sorry y'all, I'm trying to get this right. So if you guys want to try them out, please do. They are out there for you guys. Like I say, always say, build a relationship with the vendor, okay? Build a relationship with them. There we go. Ooh, this hair is amazing. No problems yet, but I haven't colored this wig yet, so obviously you gotta stay tuned. Okay, all right, I gotta comb out my baby hairs a little bit, but there we go. Gotta have it looking right. Love it. So I'm gonna update you guys on the other wig that I got from them. You guys already know the curly one, and I'll let you guys know how I like it, if I like it. Now, for a lace closure wig like this one, if I wanted it to be a much deeper side part, I definitely can have it be a much deeper side part. Ooh, she cute. That's how it looks. Literally had no problems curling. High heat, 450 degrees. I'll probably add highlights in her later when I have a lot more time. I like my hair to be kind of all over the place, but she ready. She cute. I love her. How can you love her? Love it. Oh my god. All right, y'all, let me go. Let me get off this camera. I'm doing too much. Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. This hair vendor is down below. I will give you guys a 30-day update, of course, right before I do my next hair vendor. And as always, you guys, please subscribe for more videos like this one. And of course, if you guys need hair, if you want to purchase from me, qbwigcollections.com. If you need a custom wig made, qbwigcollections.com, and we can hook you up. All right, bye.